I had to walk down from my house. Like, I couldn't sleep last night when I heard this. I had to just come out to confirm the story. Like, it's true. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Like, it's true. I'm not someone that comes to do live videos or come and start talking or saying things that is not my business. But it's true. The gate man just told me that his stupid nanny left the child. She was busy pressing her phone. That the girl was busy pressing her phone. Can you imagine this? Like, we'll go to work and leave our babies, our children with nannies. The girl left the child. She was pressing her phone. She didn't even know that the child has been under the water for a long time. She didn't know. Nobody was at home. Just the baby. Just the baby and the nanny. And the boy, they said, the security told me. The security told me that if you see the way the boy was dressed yesterday, like his best dress ever, his best look ever, that he was looking so cute, so handsome, that the boy came back from school and they fed him, and that the girl now left him. This little boy just left this world like this. Like, God, I've been praying, can you bring this boy back to life? Does this boy deserve to go? No. I lost my sister last year and I know the pains. Every day I talk to my sister. I say, where are you? Come back. Come back. What will Chioma be going through? This pain is a pain that if you've not lost anybody, you will not understand it. You can never forget. The nanny left him and she was pressing her phone. And that's what they said. They said every day that's how she used to watch videos. She will leave this boy if Chioma leaves. She will leave this boy. She will leave the boy and be watching film on her phone. They said this boy was so cute yesterday. He wore his best dress, his best outfit. They said he wore his best outfit yesterday. And the security said he was asking the boy, Ifeanyi, this one you look this handsome. What happened? Are you going out? Where are you going to? Ifeanyi was jumping and smiling. Ifeanyi was jumping and smiling, not knowing that yesterday was his last day on earth. Right, Chioma? I don't know what you'll be going through, but I can feel your pains. I can feel your pains because I lost my sister last year. I've not gotten myself and my elder sister. Nannies are fools. That's how they frustrated the living daylight out of me. At the end of the day, I have 3 nannies in my house. Just because of my 5-year-old son. These nannies have frustrated me. Now I had to go and bring a small girl. A small girl of 16 years old. 2 Agbaya nannies in my house. 1 cook. Still. This is just It's just a bad day. Please, warn your nannies. I learned they've arrested the girl. They've arrested the girl. Oh no. I don't know what to say again. I don't know. If God can bring this boy back to life, we all will be happy. Because the boy does not deserve to just go like that. He does not deserve to go. Like, seriously.
You guys,
I thought it was a joke.
This is Davido's neighbor in the same estate.
I thought it was a joke last night. I said no.
So much.
How possible?
I don't know them before.
The boy that just celebrated his birthday.
If you have not lost someone dear to you, you will not understand.
The boy just celebrated his birthday.
Try yesterday. I went to my storeroom. I closed the door. It was dark.
He just celebrated
I was
his
just
birthday,
wishing my mom could just appear. I lost my mom
boy is gone.
early this year, January.
How?
I have not gotten myself. I am only pushing through.
Nobody
Yesterday I was asking myself, I just wish I was just like,
this boy enter water.
Momsy, is this like true? Could it be that I'm still dreaming? Could it be that
everywhere
maybe she'll just come back?
They did not
is
allow
it that
them
she's
come back
really
to
in
their
the
house.
ground? Maybe now she has come to the skeleton. So many things was going into my brain yesterday, and I was down. I couldn't do anything. I just went to bed.
What about your
mother? You can imagine
he
how
said
it
the
feels
almost killed
when it's your own child.
Killed
himself
like
a small child.
What about Choma?
And the way this boy died.
What about her? She has been with this boy since.
Choma and
only her.
How they are going to heal from this.
Taking care of this
For
boy.
those people that are still doubting, you have heard from the neighbor's mouth.
We
the video
are
is
suffering.
long, but please, it's true.
Yes,
it's
unbelievable.
confirmed. Let's pray for the family.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The nanny was pressing her phone. She was pressing her phone. The gate man told the nanny will be pressing her phone. Leave the boy. And she left the boy. And she left the boy for so many hours under the water. She left the boy under the water. Nobody knew that the boy was there. She left the boy under the water. If only they had seen the boy, they would have rescued him. He would have been alive by now. He would have been alive by now. What will Choma be going through now? What will she be going through? A boy that she has gone through so much to take care of has just gone like this. Choma has been on her own just since so. And Alanti was just coming back here just 1 month. Coming back to Banana Island is just 1 month. 1 month. Please, let's all put her in prayers. Let everybody pray for Choma. She's always with this boy, you. This boy is just a handbag. One cannot carry a child forever now. The boy has been with her. The boy is always with her. Just for her to go and come. Story. Just for her to go and come. Story. Hey. Devil, you a liar. That you are just so bad. Devil is a liar. Death. Why? Every day I used to wish that my sister would come back. Like, I used to wish my elder sister would come back to me. I used to wait for her to knock at the door.